Remember when you needed a 4-year degree and a mortgage-sized budget for software just to make a decent social media post? Yeah, me neither, but it definitely felt like that. Fast forward to 2026 and the game has completely changed. Designing isn't just for the experts anymore. Whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or just someone with a cool idea, AI is making creative work faster, easier, and honestly, a lot more fun. I've been testing a ton of tools lately, and I've narrowed it down to 7 that creators are actually loving right now. Let's dive in. Number 1. Canva AI, Magic Design. First up is the heavy hitter we all know, but with a serious upgrade, Canva AI, specifically their Magic Design features. If you're like me and sometimes stare at a blank screen for 20 minutes wondering where to start, this is your fix. You can generate entire layouts, images, and even text suggestions with just a few clicks. It's perfect for those everyday tasks, social media posts, presentations, or quick posters. Why it matters? It's all about speed and low friction. You don't need to be a pro to get a professional result in seconds. It's the ultimate, I need this done 5 minutes ago tool. Number 2, Adobe Firefly. Now, if you want a bit more oomph and creative control, you've got to look at Adobe Firefly. This isn't just a simple filter, it's a powerhouse for generating high-end images from text prompts. What makes it a favorite for 2026 is how well it fits into the workflows of people already using the Adobe suite. Why it matters? It gives you that advanced creative control that simpler tools might lack. If you have a very specific vision in your head and you need the AI to actually listen to you, Firefly is where it's at. Number 3, Kittl. Okay, this next one is a bit of a secret weapon for the merch crowd. It's called Kittl. If you're into logo design, t-shirts, or branding, Kittl is a total game changer. They have these AI text effects that can make a flat design look polished and expensive in about 2 seconds. Why it matters? It's built for creators who want that designer look without spending hours tweaking typography. It turns a basic idea into something that looks like it belongs in a high-end boutique. Number 4, Khroma. Let's talk about something that drives us all crazy. Picking colors. Have you ever spent an hour just trying to find the right shade of blue? Enter Khroma. Khroma uses AI to learn your personal taste and then suggest color palettes based on what you actually like. Why it matters? It makes the most tedious part of design, color theory, completely personal and incredibly easy. It's like having a digital stylist for your brand. Number 5, Designs AI. For the startups and solopreneurs watching, Designs AI is probably the tool you'll use the most. It's an all-in-one platform. We're talking logos, graphics, and even videos all in one place. Why it matters? When you're running a business, you don't have time to jump between 10 different apps. Having everything under one roof saves a massive amount of time. It's basically a design agency sitting in your browser. Number 6, Illustroke. This one is specifically for my web designers and digital product creators. It's called Illustroke. It helps you create SVG illustrations using AI. If you've ever tried to draw a clean vector icon from scratch, you know how much of a pain it can be. Illustroke does it for you instantly. Why it matters? Clean, scalable vector artwork is essential for websites and apps. It makes your digital products look sharp and professional without the manual labor of a pen tool. Last but definitely not least is Looka. If you're starting a new brand or even just a personal project, Looka helps you build a full brand kit and logo from the ground up. Why it matters? It's not just a logo, it's a brand identity. It helps you stay consistent across everything you do, which is the key to actually being remembered online. Look, the bottom line is that AI isn't here to replace our creativity. It's here to help us work faster, test our wildest ideas, and bring them to life without the effort of the old days. It's a speed multiplier for your imagination. So, which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. And if this helped you find your next favorite tool, hit that like button, share this with a fellow creator, and subscribe so you don't miss the next video.